In this tutorial, I just wanted to spend a few minutes talking about the GCD function in Excel, which returns the greatest common denominator, or the largest number that two or more numbers can be divided by without returning a remainder. So here we have some sample data with a product, box size A and box size Z. I'm going to return the greatest common denominator for each product to make packaging more efficient when I'm trying to do other calculations in the future. This function is very easy to use and can save a lot of time because all you have to do is equals GCD. And GCD, the first number is going to be box size A, second number is box size B, in close parentheses. As you can see, the greatest common denominator between 120 and 180 is 60. And I can get this and then drag it down, like so. You get the greatest common denominator between each of these functions. And this is especially helpful because one, it's easy to use, but two, I can add additional logic on top of this to do other calculations. For example, I can say, well, if this is greater than 50 or 75, for example, comma large, comma small. So I can now group these between large and small items, for example. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like or comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.